person who tells the truth. If you tell the truth, people can trust you. If you don't tell the truth, people are not always sure on you. They cannot rely on you. Ask for help others. Oh, for owning up to your actions. For not telling all lies. E for everybody every day. S for show respect. T for telling the truth. Y for you can do it. Telling the truth can sometimes be difficult, but it is always easier than lying. If you tell lies, you will eventually be found out, and then people will not like you. Now, my friends, we sing a beautiful honesty song. Honesty takes okay. From the heart out to live. Tell the truth and tell a lie. Stand up for what you is right. Be sincere in a must. Honesty and trust. To be honest means to be real. Say exactly what you feel. There's a way to share our thoughts. Speak the truth and do it along. Speak the truth. Be sincere in a must. Honesty and trust. To be honest means to be real. Say exactly what you feel. If someone asks what to do, I say and tell the truth. Honesty makes you feel great. So just be honest every day. Be sincere is a must. Honesty and trust. To be honest means to be real. Say exactly what you feel. There is a way to share our thoughts. Speak the truth and do it along. Speak the truth. Be sincere is a must. Honesty and trust. To be honest means to be real. Say exactly what you feel. Once upon a time, in the forest, there lived a poor woodcutter who worked hard to support his family. Thank God I am healthy and I can work and earn money to buy food for my family. One day he was sitting
clap after the story.
But when he was about to leave his axe on the floor, he stumbled with the rock and the axe fell into the river. Oh no! I lost my axe. The river is so deep that I will not be able to get it. What am I going to do? How can I going to support my family? He just stared helplessly into the light when suddenly a beautiful lady emerged from lake. Who are you? I am a fairy from the lake. I come out from water when I hear a sad voice. What is wrong? I lost my axe. It's in the water. I'll get it for you. The fairy went inside the water and came out with a silver axe. Is this your axe? The woodcutter thought of all the things he could buy for his family if he sold a silver axe, but it not belong to him. No, mine has a wooden handle. The fairy went again inside the water and came out with another axe. Is this yours? No, that axe is made of gold. It's worse than mine. I'll leave it here and let me go again inside the water. When the fairy came out of the water, she had the woodcutter's axe. Ah, that is my axe. Without any doubt, that is my own axe. This is your axe, but you can have the other two. They are a gift from the river because you have told me the truth. Oh, thank you. And that night, the woodcutter went home with his 3 axes. I am happy. Now my family will have everything they need. The moral of the story is honesty is the best policy. There are lots of times when we should be honest. For example, we might break something at home. We should own up and say it was us. We might do something not at school. We should own up to the other people. Do not get in trouble. God knows that it is difficult for us to be honest all the time. But if we ask, He will help us. Let us now say a prayer asking God to help us.
Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
Hallowed be thy name.
Thy kingdom come.
Thy kingdom come.
Thy will be done
Thy will be done on earth
as it is in heaven.
as it is in heaven.
Give us this day
Give us this day
our daily bread,
our daily bread,
and forgive us
and forgive us
our debtors,
our debtors,
as we into temptation,
not into temptation,
but deliver us
but deliver us
from evil.
from evil.
For thine is the kingdom,
For thine is the kingdom,
the power,
and the power,
and the glory
and the glory forever. Amen.
Now I request everyone to get ready for the national anthem. Join your feet, hand by your side.
Good morning. Please sit down, you don't have to stand up. You already wished me once. So, did you all like the assembly? And what was the value that was kind of put across today? Honesty. What do we mean when we say that we are honest? Yes. Samuel, wait for your turn. Okay, to say the truth, yes. And all your teachers in the class keep telling you to be honest? Yes. Are you actually honest? Yes. Everyone? Yes. Wonderful. That's a very good quality, and we expect all our students to be honest in their dealings. So whenever you're sharing something, when you go back home, tell your parents what happened in the school. Be honest. When you come to the school, if you haven't done your recap, you haven't prepared well, be honest. Honesty should reflect in all your actions. Every time, every day. It was a wonderful assembly, Kamal ma'am. Thank you. I really liked the little story that these children enacted beautifully. Very well done, class 1B. Can we have a huge round of applause?